Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Cha and today we will learn about font related properties in CSS. There are lots of other properties that you can apply on text like font family, font style, font size, font weight. So let's discuss all these in with example. So here we have a very simple example. We will use font family on these two paragraphs. First paragraph, here you can see it is with the class name serif, and the second paragraph is with the class name sans serif. And on first paragraph we will apply time Roman font, and on second paragraph we had applied Arial font. So P is the selector for the paragraph and dot serif is the selector of the class. So we had applied font family here, and the value is Times New Roman, and second and third value is Times and serif. So this is the format, and here Arial, Helvetica and sans serif. So first run the file in the browser. I had saved the file with css font.html. Now you can see there is different style of both paragraph. So first paragraph is Times New Roman and second is Arial font. So let's take another example of the font, and now we will apply font to style property. Alright, now change the class name. I'm gonna use the name font styl. Alright, now copy this class and we will apply CSS on this class. Alright, so font style property, style, and I'm gonna use the value is italic. So you can see this paragraph is in italic style, and similar like we have bold, we have underline, so there are lots of font style properties. Now let's take another example. We will use font size on this class, so apply font size. So it's a very simple example. I think you already had know that font size is used to define the size of the font or text. So I'm going to use a 24 pixels font size. So now you can see this text is little bit larger because I have applied font size property on this. So let's take another example. We will take just a minute. Alright, now we will apply font weight on this paragraph. So copy the class name and let's use it. Apply CSS on it, font weight. Alright, now font weight value I have set is 900. Refresh it and see this font is little bit bolder. So font weight have few values like 600, 700, 800, 900.